If you are looking for gadgets to make your life easier, then you are in the right place. Smartwatches are often criticized for their small screens, which can make it difficult to fully enjoy the device's features. However, the Nubia smartwatch with its 4-inch curved display offers something truly amazing. Moreover, with the expanded display, it is much easier to read your text messages and emails and scroll through them. No more squinting or fumbling with tiny buttons. It's also a great device for fitness enthusiasts, with 4 different sports modes to choose from. Furthermore, the watch is equipped with an integrated sensor that measures your heart rate in real time, providing you with data on your fitness progress. The watch's durable metal body is both dust and waterproof, making it a reliable partner during your workouts. And with a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 7 days in power-saving mode, you can wear it all day, every day, without worrying about running out of battery. The Metaura Pro is an innovative wearable air conditioner that has been designed to keep you cool and comfortable even on the hottest days of the year. One of the key features of the Metaura Pro is its advanced cooling plates and air ducts, which work together to help reduce your body temperature by up to 18 degrees Fahrenheit in cooling mode. To make the Metaura Pro even more convenient, it comes with a handy travel case that makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. It also has a companion app that allows you to control the settings of the fan, so you can adjust the temperature to your liking. In addition to its cooling capabilities, the Metaura Pro also has a warming mode that can help alleviate aches and pains. With a battery life of over 8 hours, the Metaura Pro is a reliable option that you can wear for extended periods without having to worry about recharging. This lamp is perfect for those who love to read before going to sleep. Not only does it have 3 different color temperatures to toggle between, but it also has 6 adjustable brightness levels, so you can customize your reading experience to your liking. But that's not all. The lamp features a rechargeable 1000 mAh battery, which means you can enjoy up to 80 hours of reading on just one charge. That's a lot of time to get lost in a good book. In addition to its long battery life, this lamp is also designed to reduce eye strain. Its advanced LEDs filter blue light, which can be harmful to your eyes, making it the perfect reading companion. And it's not just for bedtime reading either. With its hands-free design, you can use it for a variety of activities, such as knitting or walking at night. Plus, its 90 degrees beam angle ensures that the light is concentrated on the area you want it to be, without disturbing anyone around you. When it comes to sports, staying hydrated is crucial. However, carrying a water bottle around can be quite inconvenient, especially if you're engaging in high-intensity activities like running, biking, or skateboarding. Introducing the new and improved water bottle sleeve. This sleeve is not only lightweight but also comfortable, making it suitable for any activity you choose to engage in. Whether you're running a marathon or simply going for a leisurely bike ride, this sleeve is the perfect addition to your sports gear. One of the best features of this sleeve is its storage capacity. With a generous 350 milliliters reservoir, you can fill it with water or your favorite sports drink and zip it up. Are you tired of dealing with chronic pain in your body? Look no further than the Move Plus red light therapy device. With its innovative design, the Move Plus sets itself apart from other PBM devices. Unlike bulky panels, this strap boasts 3 adjustable light modules, making it incredibly portable and easy to position for repeatable treatment. But that's not the only thing that sets it apart. The Move Plus utilizes red light technology with lasers in the near-infrared range, which means it generates minimal extra heat. Not only is the Move Plus effective, but it is also versatile. The adjustable strap means you can wear it on your knee, elbow, or any other body part that needs some treatment. So why suffer when you can get the relief you need with the Move Plus red light therapy device? Seedze is a revolutionary solution for those who suffer from discomfort and stiffness in their back or chest, as well as other parts of the body. This innovative kit is designed to ease stiffness, reduce stress, and improve your overall health. The Seedze kit is made up of 2 units, which combine the benefits of thermal therapy, far-infrared therapy, and aromatherapy. With this kit, all you need to do is place the aromatherapy pads on the area that needs attention. Attach the units, and press the button to select your preferred mode and intensity level. The aromatherapy pads are designed to stay in place, so you can go about your daily activities without any worries. And while Seedze can certainly provide relief, it's important to remember that it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. Have you ever found yourself in a new city, desperate for a cup of coffee but with no idea where to find it? Even with Google Maps as your trusty guide, the search can be daunting and frustrating. That's where Wayband comes in. Wayband is a wearable device that uses haptic vibrations to guide you to your desired location. The vibrations are subtle but effective, allowing you to navigate without the need to constantly check your phone or GPS device. This is especially useful when you're, for example, in the middle of a training session and need to stay focused without any distractions. But that's not all the Wayband can do. It also enables you to create and share custom routes with other Wayband users. This means that you can not only find your way to your desired location, but also discover new and exciting paths that others have discovered before you. Are you the type of person who always has a lot of things to carry with you? Look no further than the CyberBag backpack, which is not only made of sturdy and water-resistant material, but also has a plethora of features to keep your belongings organized and safe. In addition to the spacious main compartment, which includes a padded sleeve specifically designed for a 16 inches laptop, there are numerous pockets to ensure that everything has its place. You won't have to worry about losing your keys, wallet, or phone again. If you need to access something quickly, the backpack also includes a convenient zippered pocket located at the front. But wait, there's more. The CyberBag also includes a special USB charging port and power bank, allowing you to charge your devices while you're on the go. So no more worrying about your phone running out of battery during a long day out.